Good morning, student. Let's revise the chapter for which we have done NCERT of chapter 4. Let's revise some extra question from this chapter. First question is express the following equations. Express the following linear equations in the form ax plus by plus c, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and write the value of a, B, C in each. Good morning, students. As per in our last session, we have completed chapter from the NCERT. Hope so you all have done this chapter. So let's revise it again. Question 1 is express the following linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c and write the value of a, b, c in the each expression. In NCERT in exercise 4.1 we have already done this type of question. So what I have told you. So firstly we will collect all variable on the same side. This statement is given to us. So what we will do? Take y on the left side, it will become 3x minus root 2y minus 5x equal to 0. Now compare it with ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So what is a here? This is 3. Value for the b is minus root 2y. Value for the b is minus root 2 and c is minus 5. This was the question 1. In same way we will do the second. 2x equal to minus 5y. So it will become 2x plus 5y equal to 0 when we will compare it with the ax plus by plus c. You can check here one term is absent in this term, one term is missing, constant term is not here, that is missing. So a is when we will compare a to b is 5 and c it is 0, constant is 0. Similarly let's check it for the third part. In third part statement is 2x equal to 5 by 7. 2y minus 5 by 7 equal to 0. So when we will compare it with ax plus by plus c equal to 0, what is it? X variable is missing here. So at the place of x we will write 0 and b is 2, c is minus 5 by 7. This was the question. So hope so it's clear to you. After that let's start the question second. Statement for the question 2. Forward value of k. The linear equation 2x plus ky equal to 8 has 2 and 1 as its solution. So firstly we will find the solution of the linear equation. Linear equation is 2x plus ky equal to 8. 2 and 1 is its solution. So put what is 2, that is x abscissa, and what is y 1, that is y, which is ordinate, and both of them they are called the coordinates. So substitute the value of x and y in the given equation. 2 into 2 plus k into 1 equal to 8. It is given 2 and 1 are the solution of the x equation. 4 plus k equal to 8. So what is the value for the k? This is 8 minus 4. Value for the k is 4. Now let's see the next question. What he is asking to, if x equal to 4, then find the value of k. Now equation is this is 2x plus ky equal to 8. 2x plus at the place of k we can write 4 here. So this is the statement 2x plus 4y equal to 8. Now if x is 4, put x equal to 4 and we have to find the value of the y. So 4y, 4 plus y equal to 8, 4y equal to 8 minus 4, y equal to 4 by 4 1 y1. So we can say when x equal to 4, value for the y is 1. And this was the result. Firstly we will find the value of k, that is 4. Now put x equal to 4, 2 into 4 plus 4y equal to 8, 8 plus 4y equal to 8, 4y equal to 8 minus 8, this is 0. So y equal to 0 by 8, 0 upon 8 is 0. So we can say when x is 4, value for the y is 0. Now this was our question number 2. Question 3 is what you can say about the number of solutions of equation 3x plus 7 equal to 0 when considered as an equation in the one variable and two variable. Just run in exercise 4.4 in the NCERT book. We have already done this type of two questions. Now in this question we have to tell how many number of solutions can be for a equation in which having the one variable and for the two variable. At the place of two variable we can also mention for the Cartesian plane. So let's see. You already know how we can plot this equation for one variable and for the two variable. Here equation is 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So 3x equal to minus 7, x equal to minus 7 by 3. When we will divide 7 by 3, it is minus 2.3. Now this is the result. When we will divide 7 by 3, this is minus 2.3. Let's see here. 3 2s are 6, 1 and 3 3s are 9. Again when we will divide, we will get 3 1 by 1. So we can write it minus 2.3. Now what is the how many number of solutions we can get when it is a equation for the one variable? Obviously for the one variable it is a linear equation. Degree is 1 here for the x, so it has only one solution. So let's see how on the number line we can draw it. This is the positive x, negative x, 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. When you will draw it on your graph sheet, you can see here when you will take the distance of 1 unit, you can see here 10 small boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So at the, we will count 3 places. You can see minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this. Now we have to count is up to minus 2.3. So this is, write it minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and this is minus 3. So minus 2.3. After minus, count 3 small boxes, 1, 2, 3. So this is the exact position for the minus 2.3 when x is at minus 2.3. X is equal to minus 2.3. Now let's see when we will draw it on the Cartesian plane. Take a graph sheet and draw the Cartesian plane. This is the positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y, origin. Now we have to draw minus 2.3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. Now minus 2.3 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have to draw minus 2.3, 1, 2, 3. Now this is the x equal to minus 2.3. So see, when we will draw x equal to minus 2.3, this line is parallel to the y-axis, and at y-axis it may be solution for the y1, y2, y3, y4. It may be mid. If x is 2.3, y may be equal to 1, it may be equal to 2, it may be equal to 0. So we can say if x is minus 2.3, y may be 0, minus 2.3, it may be 1, maybe solution for the y is 1. You can see from the table, y is minus 2.3, x is minus 2.3, y may be equal to the 2. So when x is the fixed value, you can see here, when you will draw it on the graph sheet, we get a straight line, and that straight line is parallel to the y axis. So we can take n number of solution for the y. It may be, so we can see when x is equal to minus 2.3, y may be equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it has infinite number of solution. Already I have told you, for an equation of the two variable, we have the n number of solution for the two variable, and for the one variable we have only unique solution. Question number 4. Draw the graph of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 9, and using the graph check whether 3, 1 and minus 1 and 2 are the solutions of the given equation. So let's firstly draw the graph for the equation. Equation is 2x plus 3y equal to 9. Now let's draw the table for this. xy, when x is 0, what is the value for the y? When x is 0, this is 3y equal to 9, 3y equal to 9, y equal to 9 by 3, this is 3. So when x is equal to minus 1, x is minus 1, put x equal to minus 1, then minus 2 plus 3y equal to 9, value for the 9 is, y is x0, y3. Next we can put x equal to y equal to 0, y is 0, then what is the value for the x? 2x plus 3 into 0 equal to 9, 2x equal to 9 by 2, it is x equal to 9 upon 2, 4, x equal to 9 upon 2, it is 4.5. So this was the table. When equation is 2x plus 3y equal to, you can substitute any value. Again I am repeating, instead of 0 you can substitute any value. Now let's draw the graph for this equation. Students, you have to take a graph sheet and draw this Cartesian plane, because on simple sheet we can't get the exact solution. We can't check exactly is 3, 1 and the minus 1 and 2 are the solution of the given equation or not, but on the graph sheet we can easily find, easily check. Now take the distance of one unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, y is 1, 2, 3, 4, this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now let's draw the graph. x0, y is 3, when x is 0, value for the y is 3. This is the position. Second is y is 0, x is 4.5, 4.5, this is line between the 4 and 5. So this is the equation. Now draw the straight line. Now this is the line. When we will draw it on the graph sheet, you will get a straight line. Now we have to check whether these 2 points are like x3, y1. x3, this is x3, y1. You can see here at this point our x meet the 3. Yes, we can say that x3, y1, they are on the line. Secondly, we have to check it. You will draw it on the graph sheet. When you will draw it on the graph sheet, you will get the exact solution. Because I am drawing with the free hands, that's why there is a little bit curve in the line. Second, x is minus 1, y is 2. X is minus 1, y is 2. X minus 1, y 2. So you can see here minus 1 and 2, this is not lie on the given straight line. So here we can say that 3 and 1 lie on 2x plus 3y equal to 9. 2x plus 3y equal to 9 minus 1 and 2 does not lie on 2x plus 3y equal to 9. So this is not the solution for the given line. Student, we can also check it without using the graph sheet. We can also check, just substitute the value of x, 3y1 in the given equation. When x is 3, y is 1, this is 6 plus 3, 9. Yes, this is the solution. And secondly, we have to check it for the minus 1 and 2. Substitute x minus 1, y 2. X is minus 1, this is minus 2 plus 6. Minus 2 plus 6, this is 4. So 4 is not equal to 9. So this is not the solution. But we have to show it graphically. So in this way, you will show it by using a graph sheet. You have to make sure that you have to draw this graph on the graph sheet. Question number 5. Write the for solution of the given equation x plus 2y equal to 6. Also draw its graph. So let's find. Equation is x plus 2y equal to 6. We have to find the for solution. So let's see, put x equal to 1. So when x is 1, what is the value for the y? X is 1, 2y equal to 6, 2y equal to 6 minus 5. So y equal to 5 by 2, 2.5. So here we can make a table. xy, when x is 2, x is 1, y is 2.5. We have to find the four solutions. And secondly, we can take when x is 2, x2, y is 2 plus 2y equal to 6, 2y, 6 minus 2, 2y equal to 4, y equal to 4 by 2, this is equal to 2. Third, we can take y0. Let's take y is 0. When y is 0, x equal to, x is 6. So next we can take x is 0. When x is 0, then what is the value for the y? This is 2y equal to 6, y equal to 6 by 2, it is 3. Now these are the four solutions and we have to plot these four solutions on the graph sheet. Roughly I am doing here, but you have to do it on the graph sheet. It's just a practice session, that's why I am using the board. But when you will do this question, you will draw it on the graph sheet. x1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Y is 1, 2, 3. First is x1, y 2.5. x1, y is 2.5. 2.5 is lie here. So this is the position. Second is x2, y is also 2. When x is 2, then y is also 2. This is the second coordinate. x6, y 0. When x is 6, y is 0. x3, x is 3, y is sorry, I think I have done wrong here. When x is, y is 0, x is 6, and when x is 0, y is 3 here. X is 0, y is 3, x is 0, y is 3. Now this is the position. Now we have to draw this point. When we will draw, we will get a straight line. Here you can see there is a bend in my line, but when you will use the graph sheet, you will get the exact solution. First one is, this is the when x is 0, y is 3, and second one is the when x is 1, y is 2.5, x is 2, y is also 2, x is 6, y is 0. So students, you have to draw this table by using the coordinate of this table. You have to draw this graph on the graph sheet. I am just giving you an idea because in the NCERT chapter I have already tell you how we can draw our coordinates on a graph sheet. question number 6 is write the equation x upon root 2 3y plus 3y by 5 equal to -1 in the standard form and draw its graph. So firstly we have to write the equation. Equation is x by 2, 3y by 5 equal to -1. So take the LCM. This is 10. 5x plus 6y equal to -1. Now do the cross multiplication. 5x plus 6y equal to -10. Now we have to also draw the graph for this equation. So let's make a table here. So equation is 5x plus 6y minus 10. Now we have to make the graph for this. X and y, take different solutions. Suppose y is 0. When y is 0, 5 plus 6 into 0 minus 10. 5x equal to -10, x equal to -2. And secondly we can take, when x is 0, 5 into 0 plus 6y equal to -10, 6y equal to -10, y equal to -10 by 6, this is 5 by 3, and divide 5 by 3, this is -1.6, -1.6. Now next is we can find one more solution. Let's take y minus 1. Put y equal to -1. You can substitute any value. -10, this is plus 6. 5x equal to -4. X equal to -4.5. This is -0.8. So x is -0.8. Now we have to draw. I am drawing a rough sketch here. You have to draw it on the graph sheet. This is the Cartesian plane. Positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y. Origin we have to take value up to 2, 1, 2, -1, -2, 1, 2, y -1, -2, x -2, y 0. When x -2, y is 0, this is the position. When x 0, y is -1.6. Y is -1.6. This is here. And x y -1. When y is -1, x is -0.8. So this is here. X is -1. So this is here. Now we can draw a line with the help of scale. This is the graph for the given equation. Question number 6. Now question 7 is draw the graph of 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. From the graph, find the value of y when x is 3. So firstly we will draw the graph for the 3x minus y. 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. X, y, we can take firstly y 0, sorry x 0. When x is 0, 0 minus 3y plus 12. So 3y equal to 12, y equal to 4. Secondly we can take y 0. When y is 0, 4x plus 4x minus 3 into 0 plus 12 equal to 0. 4x equal to -12, x equal to -3. Two coordinates are sufficient for a graph. So let's draw a graph. X negative, y negative. Origin 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Y is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, -1, -2, -3, -1, -2, -3. Now table is x0, y4, x0, y4, y0, x -3. So this is the straight line for the graph of 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. Now we have to find the values of when x is 3. Take it up. When x is 3, again I am repeating beta. When you have to draw draw this graph on the graph sheet. When we will draw x is 3, value for the y is, you can see here, x3, it is at the 4 into 3 minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0. 12 plus 24 minus 3y. It will meet y at the 8. It will meet y at the 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So like this. So we can also find it here. When x is 3, value for the y is 3, and when second part was when y minus 4, then what is the value for the x? Y 12 plus 12, it is also made at 6, x equal to 6. When you will draw it on the graph sheet, you will get the exact solutions. Question number 8 is draw the graph of the 3x plus 4y equal to 7, 3x minus 2y equal to 1. Also find the point of intersection. So let's make a table for these two different lines. X, y, substitute x is 1. When x is 1, then what is the value for the y? Y is 1. Again we can substitute x minus 1. When x is minus 1, this is minus 3 plus 4y equal to 7. 4y equal to 7 plus 3. This is 10. Y equal to 10. Therefore, this is 5 by 2. 2.5. So y is 2.5. Similarly, we can draw the table for the second. This is 3x minus 2y equal to 1. X and y, we can put the different values for the x and y. Let's, x is 1. 3 minus 2y. X is minus 1. Minus 3 minus 2y equal to 1. Minus 2y. 1 plus 3, 4. Minus 2y equal to 4. So value for the y is minus 2. Now substitute y1. When y is 1, 3x minus 2 equal to 1, 3x equal to 3, x is also 1. Now this is the table for the given two equations. We have to draw these two lines in the same graph sheet. So draw the Cartesian plane, x-axis, positive x, negative x, positive y, negative y, horizon values are 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, 1, 2, 3. Now, first one is x1, y1. When x is 1, y is 1. This is the first. Second, x minus 1, y 2.5. X minus 1, y is 2.5. It is here. So, when we will draw the graph, this is the situation. 3x plus 4y equal to 7. Again I am repeating, when you will do a graph on a graph sheet, and after joining the point you will get a straight line. If you are not getting a straight line, it means you are doing something wrong. Second, x minus 1, y minus x minus 1, y minus 2. X minus 1, y minus 2. This is here. And second is x1, y1, same. So let's draw. Yes, what is the point of intersection of these two lines? Yes, this is the point of intersection. Point of intersection is 1, 1. It means x1, y is 1. Now this was the result for the question 8. Question number 9. At what point does the graph of the linear equation 2x plus 3y equal to 9 meet a line which is parallel to y-axis and at a distance of 4 units from the origin and on the right side of the y-axis? Yes, what is the question? Listen the statement again. Linear equation is given to us, that is the 2x plus 3y equal to 9. But draw a Cartesian plane, it will help you a lot. Positive x, positive y, negative y, origin. Now, at what point does the graph of a linear equation meet a line which is parallel to y-axis? It means we have to draw a line which is parallel to y-axis. And second condition for this is a distance of 4 units. When we will draw a line parallel to y-axis, it should be at a distance of the 4 units from the origin, and it is on the right side of the y-axis. It is on the right side of the y-axis. So this situation is given to us, a line which is parallel to y-axis and it is on at a distance of 4 units from the origin, and it should be on the right side. It means x is the plus 4. So put x equal to 4, 2 into 4 plus 3y, 9. So what is the value for the y? We have to tell the value for the y, 8. Y equal to 1 by 3. So when x is at 4, value for the y is 1.3. This is the answer for the question number 9. Question 10 also you have done. It is same as the NCERT question. Exercise 4.3 last question.